Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you being here. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's transforming lives, making consistent monthly income from the powerful combo of AI and crypto. Picture this, you're lounging by the pool, your phone dings, and bam, another payout hits your wallet. No boss breathing down your neck, no endless meetings. Just smart tech working for you around the clock. Whether you're a total newbie dipping your toes into digital assets or a pro looking to scale up, this video is your roadmap. We'll unpack 5 battle-tested methods, complete with real-world examples, step-by-step guides, and insider tips to get you earning passively. By the time we're done, you'll have the confidence to launch your own income streams. If that sounds like your jam, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Alright, let's roll. The future of finance awaits. Before we jump into the methods, let's lay a solid foundation. What exactly are AI and crypto, and how do they team up to fill your pockets monthly? AI, or artificial intelligence, is essentially software that mimics human smarts. It learns from data, makes predictions, and automates complex tasks. Think of it as your tireless digital sidekick. Crypto, on the other hand, is decentralized digital currency built on blockchain technology. Bitcoin kicked it off, but now we've got Ethereum for smart contracts, Solana for speed, and thousands of altcoins offering unique utilities. When you blend AI with crypto, magic happens. AI crunches massive datasets to spot trading opportunities, optimize yields, or even generate content that attracts paying audiences. Now, passive income? That's money flowing in with little ongoing effort after the initial setup. In the old days, it was rental properties or dividends from stocks. In 2026, it's staking crypto for rewards, running AI bots that trade 24/7, or licensing digital tools. Reports from sources like CoinDesk show AI is boosting crypto yields by up to 30% through predictive analytics. And get this, the global passive income market from tech is projected to hit $500 billion by 2030, with AI and crypto leading the charge. Why focus on monthly income? Because life bills come monthly. These strategies deliver recurring payouts, like clockwork. Think staking rewards every 30 days or subscription fees from your AI creations. But here's the deal, success requires patience and learning. No get-rich-quick schemes here, we'll cover risks later, but for now, know that starting small, like with $500, can compound into thousands. Excited? Good, let's hit our first method. Method number 1, building and monetizing AI-powered trading bots for the crypto market. This is a game changer because crypto never sleeps, and AI can navigate its wild swings better than any human. Imagine a bot that scans thousands of coins, predicts pumps based on patterns, and executes trades automatically. In 2026, with AI advancements, even beginners can build these. Start with no-code tools if coding scares you. Platforms like Bubble or Adalo let you drag and drop AI components. For more control, dip into Python with libraries like TensorFlow or Keras. Focus on crypto-specific bots, one that uses machine learning to arbitrage between exchanges, buying low on Binance and selling high on Coinbase, or a sentiment bot that pulls data from X, formerly Twitter, to gauge hype around tokens like Dogecoin. To make it passive, host it on cloud services like AWS or Heroku. Set it and forget it, with alerts for big moves. Now, monetization. Don't just use it yourself. Sell access. Create a subscription model on platforms like Patreon or your own Teachable course. Charge $29.99 monthly for premium signals or bot rentals. Real talk. Top AI bot creators on ecosystems like Ton Blockchain are raking in $10,000 to $50,000 per month from user fees. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Grab free APIs from sources like CoinGecko for real-time prices or AlphaVantage for historical data. Step 2. Train your model. Feed it years of crypto charts using Pandas for data handling and Scikit-learn for algorithms. Add natural language processing to analyze news headlines. Step 3. Backtest rigorously on a simulator to avoid real losses. Aim for 60% win rates or better. Step 4. Launch and market. Post demos on X under Alcoy Peterman. Join Reddit communities like RR Algo Trading, or run ads on Facebook. Include case studies. One user I know started with a simple Ethereum scalper bot and scaled to $2,000 monthly subs within 6 months. Pro tips. Factor in fees. Crypto trades eat into profits, so optimize for low gas chains like Polygon. And always comply with regulations, no insider trading vibes. This method could net you $500 to $10,000 monthly once established. Shifting gears to method 2, staking and yield farming, amplified by AI optimization. Staking is like putting your crypto in a high-yield savings account. You lock it up to validate transactions on proof-of-stake networks and earn rewards in return. Yield farming takes it further. You lend or provide liquidity on DeFi platforms for even juicier APYs. In 2026, with Ethereum's upgrades, staking ETH can yield 5 to 10%, but niche tokens like those on Cardano push 15% plus. Enter AI. It scans hundreds of pools to find the safest, highest returns, dodging rugs and impermanent loss. Tools like Zapper or Yearn Finance use AI to auto-compound your earnings. For example, Digitap's pre-sale staking offers insane 124% APY on tap. Start modest. Invest $1,000 in stablecoins like USDT to minimize volatility. Step 1. Set up a non-custodial wallet, MetaMask for Ethereum or Phantom for Solana. Step 2. Connect to DeFi hubs like Uniswap v3 for liquidity pools or Aave for lending. Deposit assets and watch rewards accrue daily, paid out monthly. AI enhancement. Use bots from platforms like Gelato Network to auto-rebalance. If one pool dips, it shifts funds seamlessly. Or try AI predictors from Chainlink oracles that forecast yields based on-chain data. Coins with built-in dividends like those listed on Coinbase auto-distribute to holders. A $10,000 stake at 10% APY means $1,000 yearly or about $83 monthly. But with compounding and AI tweaks, double that. Personal story. I staked Sol last year and used an AI tool to rotate pools. Turned 5K into 7K in rewards alone. Watchouts. High yields often mean high risks, like smart contract vulnerabilities. Stick to audited platforms. For efficiency, use Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum to slash fees. This is truly passive. Set once, earn forever, with monthly wallet top-ups. Method 3. Leveraging AI to generate content about crypto and monetizing it monthly. Content is king, and AI is your royal scribe. Tools like Grok, Claude, or even free ChatGPT can churn out blog posts, video scripts, podcasts, or social threads on topics like top AI coins to watch in 2026. The crypto space is hungry for insights, DeFi tutorials, token reviews, trading tips. In 2026, AI content creation is exploding, with creators blending human touch for authenticity. Monetize through ad revenue on YouTube, aim for 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, premium newsletters on Substack, 5-20-month tiers, or affiliate marketing with links to exchanges like Binance, earn 20 to 40% commissions on referrals. Step 1. Niche down. Focus on AI-driven crypto strategies to stand out. Step 2. Prompt AI effectively. Write a 1,000-word guide on yield farming with examples. Edit for your voice, add personal anecdotes. Step 3. Distribute. Post videos on TikTok or YouTube Shorts for virality, articles on Medium with paywalls. Automate with tools like Buffer for scheduling. Bonus. Use AI to create NFTs of your content, like illustrated guides, and earn royalties on OpenSea. Successful examples? Creators like Finfluencer on X pull 5,000 plus monthly from 10,000 followers via memberships and merch. Start with free tools. Canva AI for thumbnails, Descript for editing. Build an email list with lead pages, for recurring subs. This could yield $1,000, $5,000 monthly as your audience grows. Remember, disclose AI use for transparency, builds trust, and diversify. Mix in live streams for tips and donations. Method 4. Smart investing in AI crypto hybrid projects and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. This is for the set-it-and-forget-it crowd. Hybrids like Fetch.ai, AI for data marketplaces, or Ocean Protocol, AI data sharing on blockchain, offer staking rewards plus growth potential. In 2026, ETFs blending AI stocks, Nvidia, Google, with crypto exposure, like the ARK Next Generation Internet ETF, provide monthly dividends. Passive income comes from holding. Some projects distribute governance tokens or airdrops regularly. Step 1. Research on CoinMarketCap or Messari. Look for utility, team, and community. Focus on ones with yield. Stake and Render Network for AI computing rewards. Step 2. Buy via user-friendly apps like Robinhood, now with crypto, or eToro for social trading. Invest $5,000 diversified across 5 to 10 assets. Step 3. Use AI advisors like those in Wealthfront to monitor and suggest rebalances based on market sentiment. Examples: play-to-earn games with AI NPCs like Axie Infinity Evolutions, pay out daily but compound monthly, or NFT royalties, create or buy AI-generated art on Rarible for 10% resale cuts. On a $20,000 portfolio at 12% average return, that's $200 monthly. Real case, investors in Singularity Net saw 300% gains plus staking yields last year. Pro tip: tax implications. Use tools like Coinly for tracking. This method shines in bull markets but hedges with stablecoin allocations. Wrapping up with method 5, developing and licensing AI tools or templates specifically for crypto enthusiasts. Think customizable prompts for ChatGPT that generate trading strategies, or Excel templates with embedded AI for portfolio tracking. In 2026, the demand for plug-and-play AI is skyrocketing. Create once, sell infinitely. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy make it easy. Price at $49 for one-time buys or 19-month for updates. Top earners, governance bots or signal generators fetch $100,000 monthly. Step 1. Build using accessible tools, Notion AI for templates or Google Sheets with scripts. For advanced, use SymPy for math-heavy crypto models like risk calculators. Step 2. Package professionally, include tutorials like how to use this AI for crypto arbitrage. Step 3. Market on LinkedIn, X or Discord communities. Offer bundles, basic free-to-hook users, premium for full access. Example: a friend licensed an AI sentiment analyzer and hit $3,000 monthly from 200 users. Automate delivery with Zapier integrations. This is ultra-passive, passive sales via SEO-optimized listings. Scale by collaborating with influencers for shoutouts. Start today with low barriers, no inventory needed. Quick risks: crypto volatility can wipe gains, AI might glitch. Dior: this isn't advice. Tips: begin small, secure everything, diversify. Stay informed via Ari cryptocurrency. There it is, your 5 paths to AI crypto income. Start one now. Like, comment, subscribe, and check links below.